Hi everyone, Caroline here. If you love selenite, today I want to share with you some selenite crystal combinations that work well together and why. So if you've been wondering about selenite crystal combinations, then this wisdom that I'm going to be sharing from my perspective is going to be good for you, okay? Anyway, I've made some videos before about different aspects of selenite. I'm going to attach the playlist at the end of this video so you can catch up on all the goodies that selenite has to offer because there's so much. Okay, let me just be clear before I go on. I know that this crystal over here is called Satin Spar, but because most vendors refer to this crystal as selenite and most people refer to this crystal as selenite, and it even comes out of the tongue quite easy, selenite. Like it's kind of difficult to call this thing Satin Spar, even though it's Satin Spar. The selenite crystal, the real one, is that clear one, the transparent one that we usually see, but most people refer to this crystal as selenite. So in this video, I'm going to be referring to this crystal as selenite, okay? So don't get pissed at me, just take it easy and understand that this crystal in this video is going to be referred to as selenite, okay? All right, with all that out of the way, let me now get to the selenite crystal combinations. So the first selenite crystal combination is a combination of selenite and kyanite, selenite and blue kyanite in particular. And you know, it's so interesting. For me, this combination has shown up several times in my dreams to be used together. And it's usually not to be worn on the body. The way I see it in my dreams, this combination usually comes up in grids. The kind of grids, the sacred geometries that I see usually have a combination of selenite and blue kyanite. And really, I've made some videos about this. Maybe check those ones out just the way I saw them. If you want to, use that energy on your behalf, then that's fine. But otherwise, this combination is great. This combination of angel wings, higher consciousness stones is just perfection. So I use it, it works for me, and I feel really, really elevated. And both of these are directional crystals because of the striations. They direct energy a certain way, and that energy is usually upward. So this selenite combination is great for higher consciousness elevation. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. This is the first one. Then the second selenite crystal combination is a combination of selenite and green aventurine. These two crystals together are amazing for detoxification. Green aventurine detoxifies the physical body, and selenite cleanses and detoxifies your aura. So when you combine these two, your physical body detoxifies and your aura detoxifies. And this body and aura clearing energy can make you feel amazing, especially if you're also clearing your mind and clearing your emotions. So you really can't go wrong with these two crystals together when you're trying to detoxify your energy, selenite and green aventurine. The next selenite crystal combination is a combination of selenite and hematite. Selenite, as you know, clears your aura, or it works on your auric field. And hematite has a grounding energy based on the iron content. So you clear your aura, and then selenite grounds your aura in strength. You know what I mean? So this combination strengthens your auric field. It grounds your auric field. You become as strong as Iron Man or woman or whatever. You know what I mean? Need I say more? No. This combination is auric strength, hematite and selenite. Then the next selenite crystal combination is a combination of selenite and black tourmaline. We all love this combination, or a lot of people love this combination. Let me just correct that. So selenite expels energy from the aura, keeping it fresh and sizzling, bright and clear. And black tourmaline expels energy from the physical body. You know what I mean? So this combination together are a team that expels, all those unwanted energies from our physical being and our auric fields. So the thing is this, I know most people use this combination together and it works and it's beautiful for a lot of people. So what are we going to be complaining about right now? Nothing. What are we going to be arguing about? Nothing. Selenite and black tourmaline. Okay, so the next crystal combination is a combination of selenite and Herkimer diamond. If you have Herkimer diamond, that is a good crystal to combine selenite with, because Herkimer diamond, just like quartz, are hard crystals. It's a hard, clear crystal with a high vibration frequency. So when you combine that Herkimer diamond crystal with selenite, then you kind of stabilize or harden the soft energies of selenite. You know what I mean? So it really kind of fortifies and strengthens the energies of selenite and therefore your auric field. And when you're choosing to work with the Herkimer diamond, it's better to work with a double terminated crystal like this one, which has two tips over here. If you can see, a tip on this end and a tip on this side. Make sure it's natural. The natural pointed double terminated crystals are the best. I know some people shape these things, but those things do not move energy the way a natural crystal moves energy. So if you can get like a Herkimer diamond, just work with the double terminated ones. And if you don't have one, you can also just work with one with a single point. The good thing about these double terminated crystals, and the reason why I'm emphasizing it for this specific combination of selenite and Herkimer diamond, even though this is just a quartz, I don't have a Herkimer diamond, but the good thing about it is that the energy moves from bottom to top, top to bottom, and this is really good as a protective shield. You know what I mean? Because automatically the whole of you is encompassed by the movement of the energies, top, bottom, bottom, top. So that's just a beautiful thing. But if you don't have one, you can just direct the flow by using a pointed one that's going downward, you know, to clear the energy, or an upward facing one which is moving energy in one particular direction. Either way, that combination is good and it's going to work for you. So Herkimer diamond or quartz crystals with selenite, and the Herkimer diamond, remember, it provides a long-lasting effect to the energies of selenite. Great combination. Then the other crystal combination that works well with selenite is a combination of selenite and amethyst. Amethyst is a spiritually uplifting upper chakra crystal, and so is selenite. So these two combinations work well together. Let's keep those upper chakras clear and energized and bright, because those higher dimensions and these upper chakras is really what we need to be operating from, even though we are here on this 3D work. So we have to bring in that energy to do the work down here. So a combination of amethyst and selenite is just great for all this. Okay, then the other selenite crystal combination is a combination of selenite and shungite, or is it shungite? These two combinations are just great together. And by the way, if you know what the correct pronunciation is, just let me know. Anyway, shungite for now, okay? So this combination is great because both these crystals disperse energy. They move energy away from you. They repel energy away from you. And I'm going to make a dedicated video about shungite just to go a little bit deeper on it. But the important thing to know is that these two crystals dispel energy in a way that allows the higher energies and the upper chakras to function effectively, okay? So selenite and shungite. And then we have the combination of selenite and desert rose. This beauty over here. Desert rose and selenite are both gypsum, but desert rose captures the beauty of a rose in the desert. You know what I mean? Like how the beauty can emerge from dry conditions. And this is something that most of us have experienced. We go through so much, but within that so much, the beauty of who we are comes forward. So this combination of selenite and desert rose captures that beauty, that light within us perfectly. It helps us to showcase the beauty that we have now become. You know what I mean? It keeps our auras clear while bringing forth the beautiful beings that we truly are from within. So this combination is just one of my best. And I want to make a video on desert rose because a lot of information has come through to me ever since I made my video a long time ago, even though that video is very meaningful. In case you haven't watched my desert rose video, that video is very meaningful, but I want to make another video, if time allows, about this beautiful crystal, desert rose. Crystal lovers, tell me, what is your favorite selenite crystal combinations? Let me know in the comment section. And until next time, let's stay bright and clear. Let's increase our light, because that is what we are. Pure light.